Apex rack made by Sornex. We're just going to go over a few of the features of the rack really quick. On each side of the rack we have adjustable cable columns. Each pulley attachment swings 180 degrees to move it out of the way. It also slides up and down from the top to the bottom. We have our jammer arms, which can be used two different ways. One, right now it's set up with our J-cup attachments. You would use this for traditional bench pressing, or these do move them up and down. You could use them for squatting. There's also handle attachments that go on these that you can add weight plates, and then these also slide up and down. Within the rack itself, we also have different storage capabilities for our weight plates, bands, and other attachments. Up top here, we have adjustable pull-up bars. And then down over here on the side, we have a landmine attachment that you can slip your Olympic bar into the collar. This is our adjustable pulley system. Again, there's one on each side of the rack. 250-pound weight stack. Pull the pin, adjust your weight. In order to adjust your pulley, pull your pin, adjust it to any height you like. Carabiner, attach any implement you would like. This is our landmine attachment. All you have to do, rotate it up, comes out. Take your Olympic bar, slide it into your collar, add your weight plate. Now you're ready for exercise. All right, these are the adjustable pull-up bars. They slide out or in for whatever your preference is. The handles also adjust. You push up, rotate over to wherever you want your handle to be. There's 8 different positions. Space them out to however you like. And begin your exercise. These are our jammer arms. They're a little bit more complicated, but they have multiple positions. All it is basically a metal bar and a hinge. You can use it with your J-collars for squatting and benching. Or you can attach the handles, place it to wherever you'd like, insert your pin. Weight plate. Now you're ready for your exercise. Next, we're going to show you how to adjust the jammer arm. First step, we're going to remove our handle. The jammer arms are a little bit heavy, so we suggest removing all of your equipment prior to moving the jammer arm up or down. The first thing you're going to do is push out on your locking handle. It just slides up. Then you have a safety pin. Rotate it 180 degrees. Now the jammer arm can slide down. You can let it fall all the way down. Once it gets to the bottom, if you want to extend it all the way out to do a squat or a deadlift, bent over rows, just pull the arm up and allow it to slide all the way down. When you go to lock it in, take your safety pin, rotate it all the way back to the starting position, and just lift up. You can see the pin. The pin locks in, and you're ready to go. All right, when you're removing your jammer arm back into a high position, you're going to do the reverse for pulling it down. Lift up on your handle, twist your safety bar or your safety knob 180 degrees, lift up. Now once it gets here, it's a little bit heavy, so make sure that you hinge your hips when you push up. Take your handle, rotate back down into your starting position, let it lock in. This handle should be flush, and you can lock it into place. All right, we're going to show you the setup for doing a bench press. Now the nice thing about the jammer arms is they allow you to get a little bit of lift off when you're performing your bench press. J-collars go on, get yourself set. shoulder blades down. When you come to receive the bar, you can pull all the way out, push up, and now you're ready to perform your exercise. All right, these are some band attachment options that we have with this machine. All you got to do, we're going to simulate it with the bench press, but you could do it for just about any exercise you're using a barbell for. Place your knob in there. All you're going to do is wrap your resistance band around your bar, come down, attach it to your carabiner. Now we're able to do a bench press utilizing our bands. You can add weight to this and utilize the bands at the same time. Benefit of this is going to be stability. As you can see, the band moves side to side as I try to stabilize it, reducing resistance and increasing resistance on the up part of the movement. All right, this is a little object that we have for some myofascial tissue release. All it does, put it in any hole, tighten it up, and now you can use the rollerblade wheels on your back in order to get out any of those pesky knots, any trouble areas that are causing you a little bit of pain, a little tightness. Just roll all the way around those shoulder blades. You can also utilize it in the pec. All right, this is another object that we have for myofascial tissue release. This is more meant for the legs. Let's go ahead and stick it in a hole. Here's your pin. This one, it doesn't really matter which side you put it in on. Stick it in there. Now you can use these rollerblade wheels here to massage the hamstrings. You can get in the front, get the quads. You can utilize these wheels on your back. You could also get this down lower, utilize it on your upper back, or pull it up higher to utilize it on your upper back. So anywhere that you have any type of knots or painful areas, you can utilize these in order to kind of massage those knots out. Okay. All right, so these long bars, these are actually for adding a rubber band to your Olympic bar. So they slide in on the bottom. These are the feet. Just slide your rubber band underneath so that it catches. You can use this again using the bench press, or you can do it, we're going to do it with a squat. Bring your bands up. Collars. Now you're ready to perform a squat.